200 meters from the central plains of Sri Lanka. Sigiriya Lion Rock is a massive Asian rock fortress and palace shrine, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of 5th century urban planning, art, and engineering. It is famous for its sophisticated design that blends natural rock formation with man-made structures. The key architectural wonders are the Lion Gate, the Mirror Wall, and the Summit Palace. Not only that, you have to visit water gardens, balled gardens, terrace gardens. This you will be super surprised after watching those. Visitors. The climb, there are about 1200 steps to the summit. It's best to start early, around 7 a.m., to avoid the midday heat and the crowds. Photography. Note that photography is strictly prohibited at the frescoes to protect the Asian pigments. For the best view of Sigiriya itself, many travelers also climb the nearby Pidurangala rock, especially at sunrise or sunset. Come to Sri Lanka and feel this masterpiece. You will be super wonder after visiting this place. Thank you for watching me.